Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable the sound for tag notifications on the Facebook app when using your PC, especially after the latest update where settings have slightly changed. If you're getting constant alerts every time someone tags you and the sound is becoming distracting, this simple adjustment will help you stay focused without completely turning off notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. When the notifications panel opens, focus on the top section of that panel. You'll notice 3 small dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can fully customize how Facebook alerts you about different activities. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Tags. This is where Facebook manages all notifications related to when someone tags you in posts, comments, or photos. Click on Tags to open more options. Inside, you'll see a setting that says, Get notifications when you're tagged. This is the option responsible for triggering those alerts. To stop the sound and reduce interruptions, simply disable this option. Once it's turned off, Facebook will no longer notify you every time someone tags you, which also means no more sound alerts tied to those tags. And that's it. The change is applied instantly, so you don't need to save anything. This is a great way to keep your notifications under control, especially if you're tagged frequently or managing a busy account. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Facebook tips to stay in control of your notifications and privacy settings.